Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Ford Explorer door panel. First, gather your tools, including plastic trim tools, a pocket screwdriver, and 7mm and 10mm sockets. Begin by carefully prying off the small trim panel behind the interior door handle. Next, gently pry up the power window switch assembly. Once it's loose, disconnect the 3 electrical connectors attached to its backside. Now, let's locate and remove the fasteners securing the door panel. You'll find a 10mm bolt behind the trim panel you just removed from the door handle. Use your 10mm socket to unscrew it. Then, move to the bottom edge of the door panel where you'll find 2 7mm screws. Remove these as well. Depending on your Explorer's configuration, there might be additional 10mm bolts in the armrest area. With the screws removed, it's time to release the door panel clips. Starting from the bottom, use a plastic trim tool to carefully pry the panel away from the door frame. Work your way around the perimeter, releasing the 8 to 10 plastic friction clips. Once all clips are disengaged, gently lift the entire door panel straight upwards. This action will free it from the window channel at the top. Finally, with the panel lifted, you'll need to disconnect any remaining electrical harnesses. These typically power components like speakers or side mirrors. Press the release tabs on each connector and pull them apart. Next, release the door handle cable by squeezing the 2 plastic prongs on its green collar and unhooking the metal bar. Once all connections are free, carefully remove the entire door panel from the vehicle and set it aside in a safe place.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.